pleasing song with the gay tunes are for the best that a man may choose and take, to whom I yield myself and give my heart. Does not want nor pleases her that I sing mastery, and since it does not please her, I will henceforth make my song light to sing and pleasant to hear all along, clear to understand and fine if one finally chooses see. Nobly she knew to steal my true heart from me the first time I gazed upon her face's hue, with a sweet loving glance, and tenderly that her thieving eyes cast and threw me through. With that glance there entered on that day love through my eyes into my heart, with such a seeming that he drew out my heart and placed it at her deeming, so that it is with her wherever I go or stay. How nobly she knew to look on me, if the glance was not a false and lying show, with the eyes that know to send forth gently, always by right there where it is well to go. But by her words it seems to me this changes so. Yet I shall believe the glance, for with the forcing heart men speak full many a time, but no power have in part eyes to glance nobly if the heart does not send them so. And since I love one of good worth without a peer, I would rather serve her without any gain than another who would deign to sleep with me right here. Yet I do not serve her without reward's own strain. For a true lover serves not in such a way, when he serves from the heart in a place of prized honor. So the honor is my reward to such a measure, that I ask not the surplus though. Well, I would take it, I say. A true lover serves not in such a way, when he serves from the heart in a place of prized honor. So the honor is my reward to such a measure. Let mercy around me with you, sweet enemy of mine. Do not slay me if I love you without deceit, but suffer me to serve you with a firm intent and fleet, such as I ask, nor should I be otherwise in line.